So you cut too much, huh? It's okay. You're in the right place. If you were trying to make an off-shoulder t-shirt and you cut too much, here's 3 ways to fix it. My recent viral video about how to cut an off-shoulder t-shirt was able to help a ton of you achieve the perfect cut, but for some of you, it was just too late. And at first I was thinking like, it's impossible. Once you have done it, like once you've cut, that's it, it's over. But I am never one to back down from a challenge. So I thought long and hard about it. And I have 3 ways that I think you're going to love how to fix your t-shirt or sweatshirt if you've cut too much. All right, let's do the impossible. Hi, I'm Angelina, and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. Let's start off with a situation where maybe you just cut a little bit too much and you just want to dial it back a bit. First thing you're going to do is try the shirt on inside out and pinch the shoulders. Next, you're going to add pins as much as you want to make it fit. And I pinched both shoulders. I like mine to be symmetrical because that way I can wear it down on either shoulder regardless. So whatever we do, we're going to do it to both sides. And if you want a no-sew method, you can add safety pins here. So you see how this is going up. I have that advantage. Now I can just take it straight. And especially if it's a temporary situation, you have to run, then that's going to pinch it up at the top. I'm actually going to sew mine, and you can do, of course, a hand stitch if you want to. And today we are sewing with the Bernette B37. I did get this just last week. I'm super excited about it. If you guys are interested in this sewing machine, stay tuned. Beautiful, gorgeous machine. And I'm going to be sewing on this today. Here's a tip when you are sewing knits. Don't start your needle right at the edge because this little piece will want to get sucked down in the plate. So you want to start a little bit ahead, and you can always do a back stitch. And that's it. You fixed it. All right, so next up, what if you cut too much of the shoulder seam and there's not enough left of the shoulder seam to take in? Don't worry, we can solve it. But for this one, you're gonna need safety pins. You can see the design of the shirt. So I think it's going to go really well with this. You can come up with other ways that you want to reattach it. You can try grommets. You can try, whatever you want to do. So we're just going to take the safety pins and we're going to reattach it. Then we're going to try it on. And then we are going to cut it appropriately. Now, afterwards, maybe you decide that you don't want to cut it at all because now, it's a design. You'll just try another t-shirt, and I think that's what we're going to do. But you can just attach it, put it on, and then see if you want to cut it, make it off the shoulders after that. But let's get these attached. All right, and if you want to know what kind of safety pins, these are basting pins. I used a total of 23 pins, and I got these from, these are 3-inch basting pins, and I got them from Walmart. And you know what else would be cute or effective, cute and effective, is if you just put back the 2 layers like this and sewed it back together so that now the stitch is on the outside. So I think that would look really intentional. It would look like somebody designed it to be that way, even though you did it because you made a mistake. Who cares? We saved the day. We're done. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? If you love solutions to your clothing issues, I have a plenty for all skill levels. And if you've been wanting to learn how to sew, this is the place for you. Hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you don't miss a thing. All right, so lastly, someone asked me, what if you want to complete off the shoulder top? How would you keep it up? And that's a great question. And I think that us fixing this t-shirt, I can answer both of those questions at the same time. I actually have a sewing tutorial from early on in my channel where we did just that. We cut off the shoulders and we turned it under and added elastic. I'll add the link to that tutorial in the description box. But for a no-sew solution, let's try to do my t-shirt yarn method. All right, so for this last one, we are going to take our leftovers and we're going to make the most of it. It's not that much of it, but I'm going to do my best to get some strips out of it. I always say 1-inch strips, but that's probably about 3/4 of an inch wide. And we're going to stretch it. If it doesn't go all the way around your shoulders, then cut another one and tie 2 together. All right. As always, we fold this over by 1 inch. I know it wants to roly. Try not to stretch this part. As soon as you cut it off, I know if you already stretched it because you tried to try it on and all that good stuff, then just go over to your iron and iron it back flat as much as you can. Now we're going to make 1 inch snips on the end, or snips that are 1 inch apart. 1 inch apart. It's going to be weird on the sleeve. Still want to make your slits. Especially right there. All right, now I'm going to push that under, and we're going to move it out of the way. You can turn it over, but I do want you guys to see how much is folded over. Now we're going to grab one of these safety pins. We're going to start from the middle, or the one that's right past the middle. And I'm going to go in first and then out the other side. And we're going to keep doing that in and out until we get all the way back around to the other side. Like I said, I am going to run out of this because I need to leave like a little tie. So I am going to run out of this. So when we run out, we'll tie it. If I can make it to the middle, that'll be doing good. All right, we're going to tie off. And keep going. In and out till we get to the other side. All right, so now we're going to remove the safety pin and just gently tie it in a loose knot, very, very loose knot, so that I can get it on. And then once we put it on, we'll draw this drawstring and adjust it so that it stays up on our shoulders. Now we have an off the shoulder, like a complete off the shoulder top. All right, let's see how they turned out. Will these solutions help you fix your overcut t-shirts and sweatshirts? Let me know in the comments. So now the power is back in your hands. You have control. Even if you make a mistake, you have a way to fix it. So I really, really, really like that these solutions not only fix the problem, but especially solution 2 and solution 3, they give the t-shirts a little bit more personality, which of course, if you're cutting t-shirts, that's exactly what you're looking for. You're looking to give your t-shirt more personality. And if you love these solutions, I have a ton of other t-shirt hacks for you right here, including this one. This Made in Chicago t-shirt that I thrifted. It is a inverted circle. No, not the inverted. This is the circle crop. I also have an inverted circle crop, but definitely check those out. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what we do next. And I will see you in the next one. All right, bye.